નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 8, સબ્જેક્ટ સંસ્કૃત. યુનિટ 5, શિલાસ જર્ની. Hello students, how are you? Today we will learn Shilayaha Pravasah. Let's know the new words of it. First, Brahman Bhasah. Brahman Bhasah means mobile. Shilayaha means of Shila. Tasyai. Tasyai means her. Amba. Amba means mother. Adhuna means now. Bhavatyaha means your. Katham asti means how are you? Guhayam means in the cave. Chaturmukham means four faced. Chatur means four faced. Padma Panehi means of Padma Pani. Margdarsakaha means guide. Shamyak Ritya means well. Bauddha Guhayaha means of Buddha cave. Asmabihi Saha means with us. Tippani Pustakam means notebook. Anayatu means bring. Karyam asti va means is there work. Kushalini means I am well. Sobhanam means okay, good. Adhuna means now. Bhavatu means all right. Namo Namaha means goodbye. Lekhishyami means I will write. Tat Sarvam means all that. Sarvam means all. And Gamishyamaha means will go. Okay? Shilayaha Pravasah. Shila's journey. In this picture, we see the school bus and teacher and students. They are going to journey. In this chapter, we will read the dialogue between Savita, Sheila and Shikshika. Savita is Sheila's mother. Okay. Now let's read. Savita Pramanbhasam Dhrutva Hariom. Holding and switching on the cell phone. Hello. Shikshika, teacher. Hariom means hello. Kaha vadati. Who is speaking? Savita. Aham Shilayaha Mata Vadami. I am Sheila's mother speaking. Pravase Mama Putri Asti. Mama Putri means my daughter. Pravase means on the trip, journey. My daughter is there on the trip. Shikshika Am Asti. Yes, she is there. Kinchit Karyam Asti Va. Is there any work? Savita Am Aham Taya Sah Vartalapam Kartum Ichhami. Aham means I. Ichhami means wish. Vartalapam means talk. I wish to talk with her. शिक्षिका शीलां प्रति भ्रमणभाषं प्रेषयति. भ्रमणभाषं means mobile. शीलां प्रति means sends the cell phone towards Sheila. The teacher sends the cell phone towards Sheila. शीला अम्ब कथम अस्ति सर्वं कुशलं वा. शीला अम्ब means mother. कथम अस्ति सर्वं कुशलं वा means how are you, is everything all right. सविता आम अहम कुशलिनी. यस I am fine. भवत्याः प्रवासः कथं प्रचलति. प्रचलति means going on. भवत्या means your. How is your trip going on. शीला प्रवासः तु सम्यक् प्रचलति. The trip is going on well. अधुना अहम् अजन्ता गुहायाम् अस्ति. अजन्ता गुहायां means in the Ajanta caves. Right now I am in the Ajanta caves. सविता शोभनं great. तत्र किं किम् अस्ति. What things are there. वहाँ क्या क्या है. शीला अत्र अनेकानि चित्राणि शिल्पानि च सन्ति. अनेकानि means many. चित्राणि means pictures. शिल्पानि means sculptures. There are many pictures and sculptures here. सविता तत्र कानि चित्राणि सन्ति. Which pictures are there. शीला भगवतः बुद्धस्य शिल्पं सुन्दरम् अस्ति. सुन्दरं means beautiful. शिल्पं means sculpture. The sculpture of Lord Buddha is beautiful. अन्यत means and. च चतुर्मुखस्य हरिणस्य चित्रम् अपि मनोहरम् अस्ति. मनोहरं means beautiful. Secondly अन्यत means secondly चतुर्मुखस्य means four-faced deer. The painting of the four-faced deer is also beautiful. अत्र बहूनि सुन्दराणि चित्राणि अपि सन्ति. Means there are many beautiful pictures here also. सविता पद्मपाणेः चित्रं तत्र अस्ति वा. पद्मपाणि means पद्मपाणि का painting. Is the painting of Padmapani means Lord Vishnu. There is the painting of Padmapani there. शीला आम अस्ति. Yes आम means yes. अस्ति it's there. अस्माभिः सह मार्गदर्शकः अपि अस्ति. मार्गदर्शकः means गाइड. हम टूर में जाते हैं तो वहाँ गाइड को रखते हैं वो. There is a guide also with us. सविता सः किं कथयति. What does he say. वो क्या कह रहे हैं. गाइड क्या कह रहे हैं. शीला सः बौद्धगुहायाः विषये अस्माभिः सह वार्तालापं करोति. वार्तालापं मीन्स टॉक. किसके बारे में चर्चा कर रहे हैं. He talks to us about the Buddha caves. अपि च गुहायाः इतिहासम् अपि मा कथयति. Means Moreover, he tells us the history of the case too. जो वहाँ केस है, he tells about it. सविता तेषां स्थानानां कानिचित् छायाचित्राणि आनयतु. Bring some photos. छायाचित्राणि मीन्स फोटोग्राफ्स. हम जो मोबाइल में फोटोज लेते हैं वो छायाचित्राणि. Bring some photographs of these places. शीला अवश्यम आनेष्यामि means I will definitely bring. सविता अजन्तातः प्रवासः कुत्र गमिष्यति. Where will your tour go from अजंता. अजंता से कहाँ जाने वाले हो. शीला अजन्तातः वयं धूष्णेश्वरम. We will go from Ajanta to कृष्णेश्वरम. कृष्णेश्वरः शिर्डी. From कृष्णेश्वर to शिर्डी. शिर्डीतः त्र्यंबकेश्वरम. शिर्डी to त्र्यंबकेश्वर. त्र्यंबकेश्वरतः नासिकं गमिष्यामि. And from Trambakeshwar to Nashik. We will go from Ajanta to Krishneshwar, from Krishneshwar to Shirdi, from Shirdi to Trambakeshwar, and from Trambakeshwar to Nashik. Savita Shobhanam. Shobhanam means great. प्रवासः शिक्षणस्य भागः एव अस्ति. Travel is a part of education too. तर्हि सम्यक् रीत्या प्रवासं करोतु. So journey well properly. भवती यत् यत् पश्यति तत् सर्वं टिप्पणी पुस्तके लिखतु. जहाँ जहाँ जाने वाले हो उसकी डायरी लिखना. Means note down whatever you see on the trip in your diary. शीला आम अवश्यम लेखिष्यामि. अवश्यम means definite. Yes, I will definite write. सविता अपि च प्रवासस्थानस्य विशेषतां तथा तस्य स्थानस्य इतिहासविषये अपि लिखतु. अपि च means also write. विशेषता means speciality. Also write the speciality and the history of the place. शीला अवश्यम definitely. भवतु नमो नमः. Okay, then namo namaha means goodbye. Definitely okay, then goodbye. Savita namo namaha means goodbye. Thank you for joining us.